Hi viewers. You are watching Millennium Academy Accounting Hub. Important key points of this lecture include how to make rectifying journal entries, how to prepare a suspense account, stationery purchased for $700 but debited to stationery account is $790. In this transaction the error is only in the stationery account which has been debited with $790 instead of $700. The rectifying entry will be suspense account debit with the amount of $90. Stationery account credit with the same amount. Being the wrong debit to stationery now rectified. A sum of $650 received from Aslam was credited twice in his account. The error is only in the Aslam account which has been credited twice. The rectifying entry will be Aslam account debit with $650. Suspense account credit with $650. Being Aslam account wrongly credited twice, now corrected. Wages $300 paid for installing a machine were debited to wages account as $570. Wages paid for installation of machinery have been debited to the machinery account being capital expenditure, but they have been wrongly debited to wages account with $570. The rectifying entry will be machinery account debited with $300. Suspense account also debit with $270. Wages account credit with the $570. Being wages account wrongly debited, now rectified. A sale of $1,000 to Adam was credited to his account twice. In this case $1,000 has not been debited to Adam's account but wrongly credited his account twice. The rectifying entry will be Adam account debit with $3,000. Suspense account credit with the same amount. Being Adam account wrongly credited twice, now rectified. Old furniture sold for $7,000 was passed through the sales book. This is an error of principle. Furniture sold has been credited to the sales account instead of furniture account. The rectifying entry will be sales account debit with $7,000. Furniture account credit with the same amount. Being furniture sold wrongly credited to sales account now rectified. The second part of this question is how to prepare suspense account. Let's start to prepare suspense account. If a debit balance is given it should be recorded on the debit side of the suspense account. And if credit balance is given it should be recorded on the credit side of the suspense account. In this question a debit balance is given and recorded on the debit side of the suspense account $3,290. It may be noted that when all the errors are rectified and posted to a suspense account, the suspense account shows zero balance, that means both sides are equal.
If you like a video then please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for regular updates.